How to make Chrome is your default browser. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can set your default browser is Chrome. So I'm going to show in my window. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay, just come to the home, your window home screen, and go to the start, and need to go in setting options. Under the setting you will see the option called this apps. Just click on it, and after you get into it, at your left side there is a sidebar. You can see the default app option. Just click on it. Now here's, you can see you can choose the default app for the particular action. Like there is a default app for email client. Email client is I think Outlook. For map this is, for music for this player. Same as we can choose the web browser default apps. So in my case I have Chrome browser. If you want to set the Chrome browser, then come to the browser, this option, just click on it, and here you have to choose the Chrome browser from this list. Okay, after choose, it's done. Just come back. Now it is done. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.